Today we're going to look at a sun top that is just changing the industry. MODZ Tower top is revolutionizing the industry for sun tops. No longer is it going to be plastic and square aluminum. The MODZ Tower top is made out of aircraft grade aluminum for strength and durability. No rust here, no bending or breaking there. The MODZ Tower top has a very unique curved frame for a one-of-a-kind look that follows your golf car's lines. It has a simple 11-piece design that can be easily installed with your basic hand tools. Both the frame and the canopy comes in multiple colors to fit your golf car's design. This is MODZ Tower top.